Let us see derivation of third equation. What is third equation? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. Again we will refer the same graph. Again S is equal to area of trapezium. Here again this quadrilateral is taken, DOEB. This is displacement which is used in second equation, as well as we have to use it in the derivation of third equation. But what is difference between two? In second equation we have divided this total graph, quadrilateral in two parts. One is rectangle and second one is triangle. Here we are not dividing that rectangle, that quadrilateral in two parts. We are taking is at whole trapezium. It is trapezium. Trapezium means what? It has one pair of parallel sides. OD is parallel to EB. These two are parallel, but remaining two are not parallel. This is called as trapezium. Okay. Now area of trapezium, DOEB. What is the formula for area of trapezium? Half into sum of lengths of parallel sides into distance between them. Then which are the parallel sides? OD and BE. These are two parallel sides of this trapezium. Therefore half into OD plus BE parallel sides and multiplied by distance between them. The distance between them is OE, right? OE. Again we have substituted the values, written the values in this equation. Okay. Half into U plus V into T. Okay. Now we will replace this T. To replace this T, we are going to use formula of acceleration. A is equal to V minus U upon T. Now cross multiply this. T will go here, A will go here. Exchange the places of A and T. It is equal to V minus U upon T. Now replace this T by this value V minus U upon T. S is equal to half this U plus V as it is, multiplied by, replace this T by this value V minus U upon A. Okay. Now the denominator will be 2A and numerator will be V plus U into V minus U. We will use one identity, A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Same identity is used here. V plus U, V minus U, V square minus U square. Okay, and this total equals to S. This total equals to S. S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. Now multiply this. 2AS is equal to V square minus U square, and after substituting, after simplifying it, we will get V square is equal to U square plus 2AS, right? This is derivation of third equation. If you are not getting by listening one time, then listen these videos for 2 to 3 times and grasp it totally. There will be test only on these equations. When I will update you when we are going to take the test. Okay.